Zubeen Garg versus Papon. Zubeen Garg, energetic, high-pitched, versatile, rock, folk, romantic, sab, perfectly karta hai. Stage presence, our live, high-energy performance, ke liye famous. Papon, soothing, soft, soulful voice. Folk plus Sufi plus indie style min unbeatable. Calm or emotional singing style. Music range Zubeen Garg. All Assamese, Hindi, Bengali, Nepali, Tamil, Telugu, etc. 20,000 plus songs. Asia ke top singers mein count hota hai. Playback album independent, sub jaga active. Papon, Assamese, Hindi, Bengali mein strong. Bollywood mein kafi hit songs. Indie folk music ka leading voice. Popularity Zubeen Garg, Assam में cult level fan base, Northeast का सबसे बड़ा youth icon, Assamese music industry को top पर लेकर गया. Papon, nationwide popularity, Bollywood Coke Studio C, huge recognition, India-wide folk Sufi lovers ka favorite. Hit songs, Zubeen Garg, Ya Ali, Mission China, Mayabini, Zindagi, Ranjan Janmoni series. Papon, Mo Mo Ke Dhage, Benam, Kyon, Barfi, Angarag vibes in Coke Studio hits.